Hi, so I'm Vic from House of Holcroft, and today we're having a new Palladio door fitted. This is our new build door. We've had this for about 2 years. It's getting really discoloured now in the sun. It's supposed to be like a dark charcoal colour, but it's going a little bit purple, and we have lots of scratches. Hemi, do you want to show people the scratches? All over. We also have a big gap around the door, so we get a lot of draft in, especially in the winter time. So we've chosen a new Palladio door to be installed today, and we're so excited, we can't wait. So we chose one of the avant-garde doors, and this is the Barcelona design. We chose this colour, and can you show us how it matches the door perfectly? It's a perfect match to the door, so we're so impressed with that. We designed this door using the online tool, which helped us to make sure it was exactly what we wanted. And what is the best feature about the door? The posh handle. We went for the posh handle. Talking you through some of the features of the door, this door is actually foil coated rather than being painted, which means it's not going to fade in the sun, which is one of the major problems we had with the last door. It also feels so secure. It's a really good fit. There's no gaps around the outside, so we're hopefully not going to get the problem where we have the breeze coming through into the hallway. So from start to finish, we've been so happy with Palladio doors. From the initial design to the installation, everything has been completely seamless, and we couldn't recommend Palladio doors enough.